Hello, and welcome to the lesson on rational numbers. What is a rational number? Is any number that can be written as a fraction, with an integer for the numerator and the denominator. On the screen you see 3/5. 3 is the numerator and 5 is the denominator. This makes this a rational number since it's able to be written as a fraction. There are different types of rational numbers. There are natural numbers, the numbers you learned when you first learned to count, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. Whole numbers are all the natural numbers plus 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. Integers put together the positives and the negatives of the natural numbers and their opposites. -5, -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are examples of integers. As we said in the definition, a fraction is a rational number. So a fraction is a rational number because, of course, a fraction can be written as a fraction. A terminating decimal, this is a decimal that has a definite ending, can be written as a fraction and is a rational number. And lastly, a repeating decimal is also a rational number. On this chart, you see the numbers, how to write them as a fraction, and their fraction form. -2 is a rational number because all integers can be written with a 1 as the denominator. So -2 can be written as -2/1. 1.34 can be written as a fraction. It is a terminating decimal. It has a definite end with a 4 in the hundredths place. It can be written as 134/100. 0.6 repeating can be written as a common fraction 2/3. So it is also a rational number. 0 is even a rational number because it can be written with a 1 in the denominator, 0/1, thus being a rational number. A number line can be used to graph rational numbers. Fractions and decimals that are not integers are found between the numbers. The top number line shows us the number line from -5 to 5, and it shows those integers. But wait, the arrows on the end tell us that this number line goes on forever in the negative direction and the positive direction. The second number line shows you some fractions, -3.5, 1/2, and 4.5. These fractions all are found in between the integers on the number line. We use the following symbols to compare two rational numbers: less than, greater than, less than or equal to, and greater than or equal to. Sometimes it helps to change fractions to decimals to compare them. We can use a calculator. 3/5, this fraction is the same as 3 divided by 5. So in a calculator, if you put in the numerator 3 divided by the denominator 5 and hit enter, you will get 0.6, or maybe your screen says 0.6. This is 6/10, which is the same as the fraction 3/5. Even mixed numbers can be written as a decimal, and you can use your calculator for that as well. 2 and 4/5 is the same as 2 plus 4 divided by 5. So if you input mixed numbers with the whole number part, which is 2, plus the fraction part, 4 divided by 5, and hit enter, you will get the decimal 2.8. And then you can compare the rational numbers using their decimal form instead of using their fraction form. Thank you for watching this little video on rational numbers.